Hey there, drone enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about soaring to new heights without breaking the bank. In today's video, we've scoured the market to bring you the latest and greatest, the best drones under $100 in 2024. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into aerial photography or a seasoned pilot searching for an affordable yet feature-packed drone, you've come to the right place. We've tested and reviewed many drones to find those that offer exceptional value for your hard-earned money. These drones have everything from stunning 4K cameras to impressive flight times and intelligent features. So, if you're ready to elevate your drone game without emptying your wallet, stick around for our topics and in-depth reviews. Let's get started. Inporsa JY019. The Inporsa JY019 is your passport to an exhilarating aerial adventure for just $53. This 1080 pixels H camera first-person view drone is here to redefine your perspective on the world from above. Equipped with an adjustable angle 1080H camera, it captures breathtaking aerial photos and videos. Connected effortlessly using the Inporsa Go app to enjoy real-time first-person view transmission, allowing you to explore stunning landscapes and share your adventures on social media. Whether you're a novice or a pro, the Inporsa JY019 offers user-friendly flight control. One-button takeoff and altitude fixation simplify takeoffs and landings, while the upgraded hovering system and optical flow positioning technology ensure stability and ease of control. With features like gesture selfie, waypoint flight, 3D flips, and adjustable speeds, this drone promises endless fun for everyone. Safety is a priority, with 2 modular batteries for up to 25 minutes of flight time, overcurrent protection, automatic power off in case of collisions, and added durability with a protective frame and spare blades. Elevate your flying experience with the Inporsa JY019 today. Idea 12 Pro. Unleash your inner aviator with the Idea 12 Pro, a feature-packed drone that takes flight at just $89. Boasting a 1080 pixels H camera and ESC technology, this drone delivers stunning, high-resolution images, letting you explore the world from exhilarating angles. The 135-degree electrically adjustable camera adds versatility, allowing you to capture the perfect shot anytime. Experience real-time adventure with 5 GHz first-person view transmission, ensuring clear and stable video even in challenging environments. The drone's Level 3 wind resistance, brushless motor, and maximum 40 km/h speed guarantee a thrilling flight experience. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the Idea 12 Pro offers user-friendly features like headless mode and altitude hold, while advanced options like trajectory flight, 360-degree flips, and gravity control elevate your flight experience. Plus, your fun is limitless, with 2 modular batteries offering 30 minutes of flight time. So, grab your Idea 12 Pro and soar into the skies today. Hiturbo S20. The Hiturbo S20 is the ultimate drone experience at an incredible $55. With its 1080 pixels camera, this drone brings your creativity to life, whether you're capturing breathtaking aerial shots or inspecting hard-to-reach areas like rooftops. Share exciting moments with friends while filming each other skating or creating stunning videos. Enjoy extended flights with 2 rechargeable batteries, offering approximately 12 minutes of flight each. Swap and charge them in rotation for continuous fun. The Hiturbo S20 can be controlled by a remote or smartphone, with the Hiturbo first-person view app for capturing photos and videos. Experience features include altitude hold, 3D flips, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and voice control. Perfect for beginners, the Hiturbo S20 requires fewer steps to fly and no manual pairing. Take this opportunity to take your imagination to new heights with your first drone. And remember, calibrating the gyroscope and staying within the 262 to 328 feet remote control range ensures a smooth and controlled flight. Get ready for an adventure like never before with the Hiturbo S20. Ryze Tello. The Ryze Tello is your gateway to capturing stunning photos and videos from the skies, all at an affordable price of $99. This mini drone has a high-quality image processor, allowing beginners to shoot pro-level videos easily. Thanks to easy shots, you can effortlessly record cinematic moments and share them on social media directly from your smartphone. The Tello's camera features 5.5-megapixel photos and H.720 videos, offering a maximum flight time of 13 minutes. With 2 antennas ensuring stable video transmission and a high-capacity battery, you'll enjoy longer flight times to capture the perfect shot. The Tello lets you perform incredible tricks powered by DJI, making flying an absolute blast. Inside the box, you'll find the Ryze Tello, propellers, propeller guards, a battery, a micro USB cable, and a propeller removal tool. Take advantage of this opportunity to elevate your photography and video game with the Ryze Tello. Sanrock U52. The Sanrock U52 is your passport to thrilling aerial adventures at an unbeatable price of $89. This drone has a built-in 1080 pixels HD camera featuring a 90-degree adjustable angle and real-time first-person view transmission, ensuring you capture stunning moments from the sky. Save your videos directly to the microSD card or edit and share them on social media via your iPhone or iPad. But that's not all. The U52 is packed with fun features. Perform 360-degree flips, use the app to define precise flight routes, or even control the drone with gravity sensor by tilting your smartphone. Beginners will love the ease of use with 1-key start, landing, and 2-speed options, while the intelligent auto hovering and headless mode adds stability and safety. Are you worried about safety? The U52 comes with propeller guards and high-quality ABS material to ensure durability. One battery provides 10 to 13 minutes of flight, and additional batteries are available for purchase. Elevate your drone game with the Sanrock U52 and enjoy safe, exciting flights. Holystone JY019. Prepare for an aerial adventure with the Holystone JY019, a high-quality drone that won't break the bank at just $89. Equipped with a 1080 pixels field of view 120-degree H first-person view camera, this drone lets you capture distortion-free, wide-angle shots and view them on your phone. The app unlocks your creativity, making sharing your creations on social media easy. For beginners and kids, the JY019 is a dream come true. Its altitude hold feature ensures stable flight even when you release the joystick, while headless mode simplifies control when the drone is out of sight. Plus, enjoy 3D flips for added fun. Take control with the mobile app, offering voice control, gestures control, trajectory flight, and gravity sensor control. Gesture-based photo and video capture add a touch of magic to your flights. With 2 modular batteries providing 20 minutes of flight time, you can easily swap and charge for endless adventures. Elevate your drone game with the Holystone JY019 and take your creativity to the skies. We hope you found the perfect drone to suit your needs and budget. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting tech reviews and recommendations. Share your thoughts and any drone suggestions in the comments below. Thank you for watching.